Part 2. Found some stuff. Okay. So, the choke. Come on, hooky. So, it was staying closed constantly. So now that I've got that figured out, and I can see where it goes, we're gonna hook it back up. Now, obviously it's not gonna stay forever. It should stay for now. Very good. All right. And I found a secret tool. What do they call it? A Masca tool? I found that right here. Turn this over. All right, so let's try this again together. Can you see pretty good? Well, just right where you can see then. Turn this on. Get that charging back up. I'm going to give our fuel pump some more juice. And see if it's going to keep on acting goofy or not. Hopefully that dang float. Ah, she's still dripping. Stop doing it. Work. Seal off. Do it. Hey, you're not going to do it. Well, let's unhook that and we'll use it as we need it. All right, we got this. Ignition is on inside the cab. Got our cheater wire ready. Come on now. Oh, don't give me a dead battery. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear about you having a dead battery. I just want you to do what you're supposed to do. Do the thing. And go boom. But in a good way. Alright. My ether fell down. I'll be right back. Got it. Don't worry. I'm here. I'm back. Alright, here we go. Get that choke to stay open like that. Get my ignition switch hot and ready. It's going to require jumper cables. Alright, we now have jumper cables. Let's see if we're any better off now. Not much at the moment. Let's let her charge for a minute. Maybe we got enough juice now. I don't know. Let's find out together. We're going to do the jump box and the cables. Come on now, honey. You know you want to. I need to give it some fuel pump, don't I? I think she's thirsty now. It's doing it. Now we just got to get it off of here. I think we're building air pressure too. day. Woohoo! They get it fired back up and we'll go from there. All right, let's try it. Not bad at all. Sitting 4 to 5 years, I think they're saying. We're gonna try this dump bed out. See what it's got to offer.